Manufacturing plays a crucial role in the European economy. Almost 10% of all the enterprises in the EU are in the manufacturing sector. That's more than 2 million organizations. In addition, around 22% of all workers in the EU are employed in manufacturing. However, the sector is facing many challenges. Only a small percentage of companies in the manufacturing sector are highly digitalized, which means that most of the potentially useful information generated in those companies is lost. Labor costs are high, and due to the aging population, factories are having a hard time finding workers who can keep up with the physical demands of the job. The increasing labor costs in Europe is driving companies to produce and hire in cheaper countries, which has long-term negative effects on the European economy. Many factories attempt to solve these problems by incorporating machines or robotic workers, but this solution can lead to problems of its own. Enter SHOP4CF, the smart, human-oriented platform for connected factories. An EU-funded project involving 20 partners who will develop a platform containing a wide range of components that cover a broad spectrum of industrial requirements, especially in the context of modern, flexible and data-rich manufacturing. SHOP4CF's goal is to find the right balance between repetitive tasks and cost-effective automation, and to involve human workers in areas where they create the biggest added value, such as adaptability, creativity and agility. The overall vision of SHOP4CF is that tomorrow's production requires both machine skills and human resources. Therefore, SHOP4CF aims to help machines and humans work together, improving working conditions for humans by automating monotonous or difficult work and by increasing human productivity through smart assistance from machines. The SHOP4CF project will help prevent accidents and downtime in factories. It will reduce the risk of collisions in advance. It will also provide ergonomic and healthy working conditions, increasing productivity and worker well-being. Furthermore, these changes will have a strong positive impact on the labor market. But how will this be achieved? Through a digital marketplace that includes components, pilots, license models, and more. A platform, a unique infrastructure to easily develop and deploy modular components that cover a wide range of different tasks in modern manufacturing environments. 3 open calls that aim to get new integrators and developers on board to foster a vibrant ecosystem of industrial partners. And free online courses to help factory stakeholders learn about new technologies and how they can be implemented. The consortium of SHOP4CF is looking for stakeholders like you to join their growing community. To learn more about the project, open calls, courses or marketplace, visit our website at shop4cf.eu.